Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to transfer ownership of a Discord server to another person. So let's get started. What you want to do is go to a Discord server that you're owning right now. So yes, for this to work you need to own this Discord server. What you want to do is you need to click right here and then you want to go down to your server settings. Now you need to scroll down to your members. Now for this to work, you need to have a person in your Discord server. Right now I don't have a person in my Discord server, so I probably cannot transfer ownership to any of these, well, bots, because they are bots. So as you can see, I cannot really do it. I don't have an option. But for you, if you have a person that you want to transfer your ownership to of a Discord server, well, you just click on these three dots and you will have transfer ownership somewhere here as an option. You click that, you will have something that you need to, well, turn on. You just turn that on to confirm that you really want to transfer ownership, and then, well, you have successfully done that. You have transferred your ownership of a server. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more informational videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.